Hello and welcome to Meadow Bakery. In this video, I'm going to show you how to decorate your cake drums with some contact paper. Before we get started, head over to my website, meadowbakery.com. Sign up if you haven't already done so, and then close the page. Go to the courses website where you'll find a list of courses available to buy on my website. When you find the one that you like, you just click on it and you'll be taken to a sales page where there'll be a video telling you more about the course, and there'll be a bit more information down the page about what's involved in the course, and then you click buy and follow the buying process. You have to make sure your contact paper is food safe. They come in so many different colors, but I've gone for this black one. So this is my cake drum. To see the difference between a cake drum and a cake board, you can click the video above. This one comes in a roll and it's got sticky backing. Okay, so I'm going to use this as a template. I'm going to cut around it like that. Get a pencil. Now I'm going to cut this off. Okay, I've cut my contact paper with the scissors because I can't find my board. For those who do crafts, you have some board that you can put underneath and you can cut it without cutting your tables. I don't have that. But what you can do is you can put your board on there and then you get your craft knife and just go around and cut it all the way around, or even a razor blade if you have something to protect your table. That way you don't have to cut it out again. Okay, so you have to look for, yeah, like that. You see, it can be a bit tricky to take it off. Peel back some, not all of it, because you find that you get a hard time trying to stick it onto the board. So you can buy whatever color theme that will go with your cake. Just, okay, now got the sticky backing on. So you pull this while you're sticking this on. And just push it down. Like that. Make sure that you don't get any creases. If you get any creases, just get the air out. And that's it. It's this simple. Thanks for watching and see you again soon. For more videos like this, visit my website www.meadowbakery.com. Please like and subscribe to my channel.